Welcome! This instructional video was made for you by Thorne Library staff. This video will show you how to use Search Everything. This feature allows you to simultaneously search for MVNU materials, OhioLINK materials, and articles through online databases. First, go to the library's homepage by typing library.mvnu.edu into your web browser. Before you start your search, you can select whether you want to search by keyword, title, or author. If you don't know a specific author or title to look for, search by keyword. In addition, there are several options to narrow your search. If you're looking for books only, check the Catalog Only box. And the search will only return results from the MVNU Library Catalog and the OhioLINK Catalog. If you're looking for academic journal articles, check the Peer-Reviewed Only and Full Text checkboxes. Then enter your search terms. Be aware that generic terms such as business or biology will return millions of hits, so try to be specific if you can. For example, if you are searching for books on the ethics of using Facebook, select Catalog Only, then enter Ethics and Social Networks into the search box. Then hit Search. If you are conducting your search from an off-campus network, you'll notice a banner at the top of the page that says Welcome Guest. Click there to sign in with your MVNU credentials to see full results. You'll be prompted to enter your MVNU username and password, just like you would use to access your MVNU email. Each search result will give you information about the item, including the type of resource, the author or authors, publication information, and where the search result was found. Here you can see this one was found in the MVNU Library Catalog, so this is a book in our library. Ebooks should provide you with links for you to access the ebook online. If you find a book from an OhioLINK library that you want, you can click on the Request link. You'll then be prompted to enter your institution, last name, and university ID. To find journal articles instead, you can go back to the home page and start a new search with the full text and peer-reviewed only checkboxes selected. Or you can adjust the search settings on the search results page on the left side of the screen. You can remove the Catalog Only and select full text and scholarly or peer-reviewed journals. You'll now see articles that have been reviewed by other experts, which means they are more reliable sources of information. Journal article search results include information about the author or authors, the journal and issue, and the database the article was found in. You can further filter your search result list by using other filters on the left-hand side of the screen. For example, slide the counter under the publication date to the right to make sure you are reading newer materials. You can also choose subjects, publishers, and languages that are relevant to your searches. Click on a title that might be relevant to your research. This page is the item's full record, which shows you publication information, keywords or subject terms describing the article, and it provides you with an abstract or short summary of the article. You can find related sources by using similar keywords or subject terms in your searches, and you can click on these subject terms to see results that were also categorized using the same subject terms. On the right, you'll find citation information, which you can copy and paste. But please be aware that you should always double-check to make sure the citations are formatted correctly. On the left side of the screen, you should also find a way to access the article, usually a PDF full text or HTML format that you can save or print. If there is no option for PDF or HTML access, you might also see a link for Full Text Finder. This means that Search Everything doesn't have the full text, but it will direct you to another database where you can access the article. If you're prompted, log in with your MVNU username and password. Regardless of the database it takes you to, you should find the article in full text, citations and other information about the article, and an abstract. If you've done a search without selecting the full text only filter, you will likely find results that don't have a full text link. Instead, there will be a link saying, "Request this item through interlibrary loan." Click on this link and fill out your personal information. The article or book's publication information will already be filled in. Click on the Submit button at the bottom of the page. This sends an email to the library staff with your request, and we work to find the item for you. If you have any questions or comments about using Search Everything, please contact the Thorne Library staff by emailing us at library@mvnu.edu and follow us on social media to receive important updates. Thank you.